So what we'll show here first is what not to do. So, if you're here with the car and you come here and try to change the blade here, what will happen? This arm hits the hood, both on the driver's side and the passenger's side. And if you think, I'm going to open the hood, it's no use. It won't come out here in this position, or it will come out with great difficulty, and you'll definitely damage the hood here, as is the case with this car here. You can see in these images that the arm already rubs against the hood here. Unlike other cars, which have a specific control for placing the blades in the vertical position, this Mercedes has a scheme that looks like a hack, but that's how it's done and it works. Despite everything, it works. How do we do it? So, you have the car key here. We go here to the windshield wiper lever and we'll put it in the first position for continuous operation. Then we go, without pressing the brake, because otherwise the car will start, the engine will start. We'll give two commands here in the start position. First, the key, the second is the ignition position. And then we'll monitor the wiper operation until it reaches the vertical position. We give another command, which is to turn the car off, and then, in that position, we can make the change. So, we'll do the first command here, the second command, and then we'll wait until it reaches the vertical position. Let's stop there, press the stop button. Okay, let's go there now, lift the blades, and do it, lift your arms, right? You'll change the blade. Now we're going to come here and lift the blade arm. And here's what's important, we're going to move this latch up. But if you come here and try to lift it, it won't go up. You have to tilt the blade. Then, just push the latch and the blade comes out. Show me again. If we try to lift the latch, it won't come out. Tilted the blade, then just push. The blade is free. To install, just look in the opposite direction. We come here with the blade, with this little nozzle here down, we position it. Then just lock it. It's in position. Once the job is done, we'll come here, turn off the windshield wiper, give the command here again, and it'll return to its original position. That's it.